Join me as I dive deep into the Taj Mahal and try to uncover its hidden secrets that most tourists miss. The Taj Mahal is one of the most breathtaking landmarks in the world, a stunning white marble mausoleum nestled on the southern bank of the Yamuna River in Agra, India. Its perfect proportions, intricate inlays, and serene gardens have captivated visitors for centuries, earning it a place among the 7 wonders of the modern world. Many of us think we know the Taj Mahal's story, but there are some common misconceptions we should clear up. One is that the Taj Mahal was built as a palace for the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. In reality, it's a mausoleum, a tomb built for his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Shah Jahan was so grief-stricken when she died that he decided to build this magnificent monument in her honor. Another misconception is that the Taj Mahal was built by thousands of workers who were brutally treated and abused. While it's true that thousands of workers did labor on the Taj, there's no evidence to suggest they were mistreated. In fact, the Mughal Empire was known for its relatively fair labor practices, and many workers were paid well and even received benefits like food and shelter. Some people also believe that the Taj Mahal is a symbol of Islam, but that's not entirely true. While it was built by a Muslim emperor, the Taj Mahal's architecture is a blend of Islamic, Persian, and Indian styles. It's a testament to the cultural exchange and diversity of the Mughal Empire. Additionally, many tourists think that the Taj Mahal is just a beautiful building, but it's actually a complex of buildings, gardens, and water features that work together to create a breathtakingly beautiful experience. Let's delve deeper into the Taj Mahal's history and uncover some of its lesser-known secrets. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Taj is its architecture. The main dome, which is 80 feet high and 60 feet wide, is surrounded by 4 smaller domes and 4 slender minarets. The entire structure is made of white marble, which was brought from the nearby town of Makrana. The Taj Mahal's design is full of symbolism. The main dome represents the throne of God, while the 4 smaller domes represent the 4 wives of Shah Jahan. The minarets are tilted slightly outwards, which is a clever architectural feature that prevents them from falling on the main dome in case of an earthquake. The Taj Mahal's intricate inlays and carvings are also a testament to the skill of the artisans who built it. It's said that over 1,000 workers labored for 22 years to complete the Taj, and their attention to detail is staggering. From the intricate marble screens to the delicate flower motifs, every aspect of the Taj Mahal is a work of art. But what's most fascinating about the Taj Mahal is the story of the artisans who built it. These skilled craftsmen, many of whom were from Central Asia, Europe, and even India, brought their unique perspectives and techniques to the project. They worked tirelessly for years, often in harsh conditions, to create this magnificent monument. One of the most surprising secrets about the Taj Mahal is that it changes color depending on the time of day and the weather. In the morning, it appears pinkish due to the rising sun, while in the evening it takes on a golden hue. On foggy days, it looks like a ghostly apparition, and on rainy days, it seems to glow with an otherworldly light. In fact, the Taj Mahal's color-changing abilities are due to the unique properties of the white marble used to build it. The marble contains iron oxide and calcium carbonate, which react to the changing light conditions to produce this mesmerizing effect. Another surprising secret is that the Taj Mahal's main dome is not a perfect sphere. It's actually slightly asymmetrical, with the southern side being slightly larger than the northern side. This was done intentionally to compensate for the optical illusion that makes the dome appear smaller than it really is. Lastly, the Taj Mahal has a hidden underground chamber that's not open to the public. This chamber, known as the basement, contains the actual tombs of Shah Jahan and his wife Mumtaz Mahal. The basement is said to be decorated with intricate carvings and inlays, and it's rumored that the tombs are surrounded by precious jewels and artifacts. As we've seen, the Taj Mahal is so much more than just a beautiful building. It's a testament to the power of love, a celebration of cultural diversity, and a monument to human ingenuity. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the hidden secrets of the Taj Mahal. If you have a favorite Taj Mahal fact or secret, share it with us in the comments below. And if you want more intriguing historical insights, be sure to check out our other videos.